30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south winds moan. Bridges are getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.